Welcome students to the 8th part of the chapter Transport in Plants. In this part, we are going to discuss the path of water absorption, how the water is being absorbed from the soil to the roots of the plant. Let's go through this journey of the water along with me in this lecture. Transport in plants. Now we are going to discuss about the path of water absorption. Path of water absorption. Water in the root moves through. What's the path by which water is being absorbed in a plant? So water in the root moves through three pathways: apoplast, symplast and transmembrane pathway. Munch coined these terms apoplast and symplast. What is apoplast pathway? Apoplastic movement of water occurs exclusively through cell wall and intercellular spaces. So it is through the wall, cell wall and intercellular spaces without crossing any membrane. So they are not crossing the membrane. Symplast pathway. The symplastic movement of water occurs from cell to cell through the plasmodesmata. So they are crossing the membrane. Transmembrane is the pathway, at least the water crosses at least two membranes from each cell in its path. So it is having both. Transmembrane pathway, these two plasma membranes are found on entering and exit of water. Here water may also enter through tonoplast surrounding the vacuole, that is also known as vacuolar pathway. Here is a video that will represent you the pathways that I have explained you over here. So the surface area of a root is enormously expanded by thousands of root hair and symbiotic mycorrhizae. The root hair are in direct contact with water and dissolved inorganic ions held in spaces between soil particles. Water and ion enters through apoplastic pathway, you can see from by the cell wall, or by the apoplastic pathway, that is from cell to cell. Okay, a molecular ion may also move through the combination of these two pathways like this. So it's very simple. If you have any query, just go to the website askIITians.com, click on the discussion board, select the category of your question type, type your question over there and get it answered from our experts, the experts of askIITians, within 24 to 48 hours free of cost. So students, this is all about the path of water absorption in plants. We have learnt there are three types of paths. First is apoplastic pathway, in which the water and the minerals and the ions were moving through the cell wall. Second was symplastic pathway, in which the water, the mineral, the ions, they all were moving from cell to cell. And the third was the combination of the two, that was the transmembrane pathway. I hope you have understood this completely. Now we will be moving on to the next topic of this chapter in our next video.